Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to imitate the style of Egon Schiele by drawing hands in his style. Keep watching to see how it's done. Schiele's figurative work is characterized by its heightened style, which makes human appendages seem both twisted and grotesque, but at the same time very human. The fingers are bony and elongated, but also held together in a revealing way. The fingernails are long and the fingers themselves are set apart from each other in odd contortions. The way the other hand grips this one is eerie, but also delicate and almost tender. Here we go over the pencil with our pen and trace the lines. Schiele's lines, even on finished paintings, often look like they are sketched and erratic, but this is very purposeful. You can mark some shadows with the pen as well to give more texture. You will also want to exaggerate the folds in the knuckles and other parts of the hands to make the joints stand out. Finish the last details and then you can erase the original pencil lines. And here's our final drawing. If you would like to see more tutorials of how different artists achieve their style, leave a comment below with your suggestion. Don't forget to give us a like, and we'll see you next time.